Wood in the music industry. Wood has been used extensively in the music industry for a variety of purposes. Here are some examples. Instruments. Wood is one of the most common materials used in the construction of musical instruments. Guitars, violins, cellos, and pianos are just a few examples of instruments that are made primarily from wood. Studio equipment. Wood is often used in the construction of studio equipment such as speaker cabinets, mixing desks, and recording booths. This is because wood has acoustic properties that can help to enhance the sound quality of recordings. Merchandise. Many artists use wood in the design of their merchandise. For example, T-shirts, posters, and other items may feature images of guitars, drums, or other instruments made from wood. Concert stages. Wood is often used in the construction of concert stages and other performance venues. This is because wood is a durable and versatile material that can be used to create a variety of different structures. Album artwork. Wood can also be used in album artwork, either as a background texture or as a central element in the design. Overall, wood plays an important role in the music industry, both in terms of function and aesthetics.